What it do, Duffy Gang? It's your boy Ron back at y'all with another reaction video here today on the channel. We got another requested song today. Well, we got two requested songs today from NBA Youngboy. We got Dump Truck and 5 Nights. These are two YB leaks off the little top YouTube page that drop some leaks for songs and videos and stuff like that. So we're gonna check this one out. And then we got some more requested songs. Y'all been putting out some things under my comments, certain videos and songs y'all want us to react to. So we just knocking them down one by one. I appreciate y'all for making me hit 800 subscribers too. Y'all knocked out 100 subscribers in 6 days. That's like real crazy. So keep showing love and just keep sharing these videos that y'all see me put out and shorts and everything like that. And I appreciate all the love that comes to the channel. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this reaction and see what this song talking about.
Hood Rich shot that shit.
Any last words?
Bird Joy's flexing.
I wonder where they really getting these videos from now.
I'm on all night long. Woke up, got fresh today. I feel some type of way, Feel some type of way, so I got fresh today. One bitch gon' keep changing out my fish. One bitch gon' count the cake. Hey, yeah, I'm gon' eat out my grease. This is amazing. The money gon' fill up a dump truck. Before trades, they gon' slow. Before trades, they gon'
I like that flow right there. He came in on right there. That's something different. I ain't never heard him flow like that one.
Bird Joy's flexing.
I'm on all night long. Woke up, got fresh today. I feel some type of way, Feel some type of way, so I got fresh today. One bitch gon' keep changing out my fish. One bitch gon' count the cake. Hey, yeah, I'm gon' eat out my grease. This is amazing. The money gon' fill up a dump truck. Before trades, they gon' slow. Before trades, they gon' toxic punk inside a cyber truck. You mean I drink that lit straight bottle or the cup? What the fuck you mean? New house for my bill. Top. Check my bank, say bill. Top. Now with 100 shots, I'm about. Let it off soon as we see him. Bitch won't be my bill. Yeah. From won't meet them balls. I'm gon' egg her ass inside this phone. As soon as I look the sport. He so fresh, putting on that Saint Laurent. Just like Saint Laurent. It switches, babes, and most they got a scope. All these cryptic guns. Shit out of hand. This shit out of hand. Stuff 200,000 in both, babe, my pockets hurt my hands. Condo Azure Martin, that's exactly how I'm feeling. Them talk, they talking investments, please don't tell me that's for a Bentley. Hide the way you would think that she spilling and dripping, flowing like water. Gotta go way back to the north to get this fat, this shit has not for all. Gotta go way back to the north, the rat like this, the truck like this, smack that beat. Ain't even gotta be round that bag on get double jump, my big brothers got the chubby, keep it lit. Drop the slums, know that young in the trust, so I keep my stick. Yes, sir. She got a hand, she got a hand. This shit way out of hand, way out of hand. This shit way out of hand, way out of hand. I done popped too many Zans, got way too many calls. I'm not that fast. Hey, shot in your throat. Tell her that she want smoke. She can live my own, she just won't ever own. Woke up, got fresh today. I feel some type of way, Feel some type of way, so I got.
I like his color coordination on his outfit right here.
Yeah, ain't
with
too
the hat,
much fatigue.
With the
he balanced it out
with the shoes and then the bag. Yeah, I think it all come to, and then he got the
belt on too though.
Yeah, he really know how to dress and put it together.
Type of way, Feel some type of way, so I got fresh today. One bitch gon' keep changing out my fish. One bitch gon' count the cake. Hey, yeah, I'm gon' eat out my grease. This is amazing. The money gon' fill up a dump truck. Before trades, they gon' slow. Before trades, they gon' toxic punk inside a cyber truck. You mean I drink that lit straight bottle or the cup? What the fuck you mean? New house for my bill. Top. Check my bank, say bill. Top. Now with 100 shots, I'm about. Let it off soon as we see him. Bitch won't be my bill. Yeah. From won't meet them balls. I'm gon' egg her ass inside this phone. As soon as I look the sport. Let's do it. My nigga.
It's probably one of the best leaks I done heard on his page so far. I like this. I like his flow. I like the beat on it. I like that. I give that one an 8. I give this one an 8. I like it. I really do like this one. So 5 Nights we got next on another. This right here, but we got a whole another tab for y'all right here. Go ahead and click on this.
Green. Hood Rich shot that shit.
What am I do? Hey, hold up, Ted. Now get the fuck out the way. No, squeeze that shit. I'm supposed to be scared now because you got a pistol, motherfucker. I just spent 5 motherfucking years in the joint. I told you I'll pay your monkey ass when I feel like it. Suck my dick. Fuck on this
We either drive on a nigga, you know I'ma flip him, you know that he through. Fuck that little nigga, we kill him, you know I don't feel him, I even won't step on the crew. Take stuff from who, you get shot of your shit. Call the police if it's used by they toes. Shooting that pussy and then get down. You ain't out the car trying to gun something down. $500,000 on me with 100-something rounds. You ain't even fuck around, play, you'll never get found. Fuck a punchline, nigga, that's a hollow. Fuck where you been, nigga, cause I ain't follow. Come to my house, like this bitch like I'm pop.
As long as it's smelling like I hit the wrong eye,
Oh, you good. You know, I can't do nothing but edit that anyway. You ready?
yeah.
Nigga, that's a hollow. Fuck where you been, nigga, cause I ain't follow. Come to my house like this bitch like I'm Pablo. I can't get that pussy, ain't never gonna fame. Change my life, I ain't showing the back. Fuck with her two, had to flutter with that. Chain like Fruit Loops, tryna walk by two. Fucking them both, I ain't never gonna chase you. Fuck my play, I'll fuck around, spray you. Shot it like daddy, I buy her a chain too. Pussy ass nigga, when him buy her a range too. Play on the slime, fuck nigga, I stain you. My shit, I'm a pop it, my girl is exotic. I'm fucking exotic, I tell my body. I catch me a baddie, I jump off from baddie. Don't fuck with these niggas, I shoot up your bag. I'm stick, I some tin in that bitch, you a threat, get your hit. I've been leading this bitch since the day I came in. I'ma kill me a bitch if they plotting on this. I'm outside and shit, got a ball, man. Fucking have Tilly go buy a stick. No young boy got the bitch on Zans. Bitch wanna fuck when ain't got a pick. Too real in this bitch. Can't, I ain't got no be real on this bitch. Test me, bitch, you'll die on template. Bet upgraded from 10 is 50. Shit, them prices tempt. Bitch won't survive 9 like 50. Nigga, you'll die, you took me. Tell them deposit, you ain't never gonna get me. I get you whacked on the 10 speed. Put that yeah. I came in this motherfucker, I ain't real. I'm strapped down. How they wanna do it? Let me know, son. My life, I been keeping that pistol on me. Oh, pussy ass nigga, hit on sing. I'm tired. Probably got your main bitch with me. Got 3 in the back, he hitting that hoe from the side. The peasant nigga run up on me. And this bitch right now, I'm with a big 4-5. I ain't never going broke, gonna tell a little nigga. I been having this shit, can't have it right now. We either drive on a nigga, you know I'ma flip him, you know that he through. Fuck that little nigga, we kill him, you know I don't feel him, I even won't step on the crew. Take stuff from who, you get shot of your shit. Call the police if it's used by they toes. Shooting that pussy and then get down. You ain't out the car trying to gun something down. $500,000 on me with 100-something rounds. You ain't even fuck around, play, you'll never get found.
I wonder if that area he in when he shooting his videos, like people just casually walk past and be like, hey, that's maybe a young boy shooting a video, or maybe
He probably was standing around in the background behind the cameraman watching with their phones out.
I like Five Nights too. That's a different type of vibe, but I like it too. I like both of those songs actually. I like Dump Truck better than 5 Nights, but I like both of those.
I kind of wish Dump Truck was a little bit longer.
Dump Truck was 3 minutes. Yeah, it was 3 minutes actually. It was still a good song.
I guess because I liked it so much.
Yeah, it probably didn't
I was looking for
like,
more. I wanted more.
Yeah, I really like both of those for real. That's the video, man. We got another video coming for Youngboy and some more requested videos. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.